DIY. It means do it yourself.
So let's make it.
Hello, my name is Maddie and welcome to Kids DIY. Did you know that DIY stands for do it yourself? And today we're going to make a kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope is a tube of light so you can see pretty patterns of colour. And the best part about them is that they are so fun to make. Let's have a look at what the DIY team have put in today's trolley.
Rainbow!
In today's trolley, we have paintbrushes, some colourful paints, a piece of dowel, yellow sponges, some paint sticks, tape, and also some sparkly diamantes and star stickers. There's cardboard tube and starry coasters. Isn't it amazing that with all of these things we can start our DIY project? Do you want to make a kaleidoscope? Well, let's make one together so that you know how to do it yourself. Do you hear that? That must be today's DIY team. Come in.
Paint sticks.
Welcome, come on in guys, take a seat. Nice to meet you. My name's Maddie. What are your names?
Lucy.
Lucy, Arthur,
Nina.
and Nina. Have you ever made a kaleidoscope before?
No.
Do you want to have a look at it? Are you excited to make your own?
Yeah.
The first step is that we need to decorate our tube. We're going to make it bright and colourful. We've got paint, textures, crayons and stickers. Let's get started.
Dowel.
Well done. The first step looks fantastic. Can you tell me what you've done with your colourful tube?
I put pom-poms on and put some flowers with paint.
What colour are your flowers?
Blue and yellow.
Blue and yellow. Very pretty. Arthur, what have you done with your tube?
I put my name on it.
Put your name on it. Everyone will know it's just yours. And what about you?
I tried to do a lot of colours and shapes.
Do you have almost all of the colours of the rainbow on there?
Yeah, I think so.
So our next stage is to decorate our starry coaster. This part is going to reflect all of the colours and light back through our kaleidoscope. We can use glitter and we've got some sticky diamantes as well. Okay team, so we've got a whole bunch to choose from. Kids at home, that's it. Paint it, stick it, you can do it.
It's covered in paint.
It can get a little bit messy doing DIY, can't it?
Yeah. But that's the fun part of it.
How are we going, team? Good. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
And what have you got on yours, Nina?
Smiley face.
Smiley faces. What about you, Arthur?
Stars.
Stars. Are we ready to move on to the next step of our kaleidoscope?
Yeah.
Going to fold one of these reflective pieces of paper to make a prism. Can anyone tell me what a prism is?
It's triangle but 3D.
A 3D triangle, that's right. So, first what we're going to do is fold our reflective paper into a prism. It's important that when we fold it, we have 3 equal sides of a triangle so that it fits perfectly inside our kaleidoscope. What can you see?
You see 3 things instead of 1 thing?
Yeah.
It's reflecting onto another piece.
The rainbows inside go different ways.
They go different ways. Now we're going to tape the top of our prism together so that it stays in a perfect triangle. Then we're going to put it inside a decorated tube for our kaleidoscope. That's right. Fold it, place it, that's how you make it. So the next step is to carefully push our wooden dowel through the middle of our starry coaster. We want our shiny, sparkly side facing the long end of our stick. If you want to pick up your sticks and carefully pick up your starry coasters and push them through the hole so it kind of looks like an umbrella. Look at that. Once we've got our sparkly star firmly on the end of our wooden dowel, we're going to tape it to the side of our decorated tube, just like this. So making sure that a little part is sticking up above the end of the tube, like this, like a tiny little flagpole. We'll use some tape to secure it. That's the way. Tape it, stick it, give it a try. And now we've got to the fun part. We can look through our kaleidoscope at all of the different patterns and colours that we've created. That's it. Turn it, spin it. Wow, you've done it. What do we think, team?
It's really cool.
It's really cool.
I can see rainbows on the stickers.
Rainbows? I see some stars and swirls.
Thank you so much for being my DIY team. I hope you've enjoyed making your kaleidoscope today. What an incredible journey we've been on today, discovering the magical world of kaleidoscopes with our DIY team. Nina has put her name on the back of her starry coaster with lots of reflective stickers and big bold colours on the tube. Over here, Arthur's put his name on the side and he's got lots of sparkly diamantes in his galaxy. And on Lucy's, she's put some blue and yellow flowers and pom-poms on the bottom. Everybody today has created such a unique and special kaleidoscope. Just remember, with Kids DIY,
Make it, build it, give it a try.
until next time, keep turning those kaleidoscopes. Goodbye for now.
DIY
Means do it yourself.
So let's make it.